All right, you guys. So now that you have art for the last trimester, you guys are going to have art 2 times a week. So on your extra day, we're going to be doing something called an exploration station. And we're going to make a really large collage. And each part of the collage is going to be about a different element of art. The elements of art are sort of the technical items that make up an artwork. When I talk about the elements of art, not elephants of art, but elements of art, they make me sound smart. Elements of art, they make me sound smart. There are 7 of them. Space, value, form, color, shape, line, texture. Each Monday, we will explore a new one. Good. So we're going to start with a little video about each one, and then we're going to set up our collage today, and then we're going to start with a nice easy one, which is line. So today, let me find line. All right, here we go. Let's start with a quick video. Crisscross applesauce, bubbles in.
Line is one of the color, form, value, and these 7 elements all art and are a great place to start interpreting line is the path created from one point to another. In the visual art, lines are made when you draw or paint marks on paper, canvas, or when materials such as wood, glass, and metal are bent or shaped. Lines are also made by photographers and filmmakers when they choose how to angle their cameras and how to compose their shots. Lines can be horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, straight, curved, or free form. They can be thick or thin, light or dark. Sometimes one line can be all of those things. Lines can be described in many ways. Dashed, dotted, rough, smooth, zigzag, implied. What qualities do you see in these lines? How would you describe them? Every artist has a unique way of making lines. It's one way of expressing their individual style. This is a self-portrait by Jean-Michel Basquiat. His lines might be described as bold, jagged, almost messy at times. What do these lines make you think of?
Who wants to tell me what these lines make them think of? Cole, what do you think? Okay, so Native American type of like tribal feeling. Who else wants to tell me what they think of? John? Okay, so very messy, a little bit chaotic, right? Like a little bit like, I feel a little bit of anger in these lines, right? But then also the letters make me think of sort of little kids, like ABCs, 1, 2, 3s. Something about the numbers on here, and then the bars over his mouth make me think about jail. You know how when they put people in an outfit, they have a number on their back, and then these make me think of lines. Like maybe he's not allowed to say something that he wants to say, or I don't know. I feel like he's got a message in here.
Why might he way? Compare that to finish quality. His line differently than the
So does this portrait feel very different than the other one? Yeah. Evan, how does this portrait make you feel? It makes you feel smart. He looks like a smart guy, doesn't he? And this one is a much calmer picture. The other one made me sort of like excited or anxious, like there was a lot going on, but this one is really mellow, sort of like jazz music. Like the other one would be hip hop music, and this one would be jazz music, like cool moving. So, like, how an artist uses these things really makes a big giant difference in how the art looks when it's all done.
next I didn't notice
Okay, so that's our introduction to line. When I call your team, you are going to swing by the rainbow table where you are going to find a large piece of paper. It's going to go horizontal. Good job. Now, when you get back to your seat, I don't need you to write your name on this. All I need you to do is find a way to fit. And we might not all fit on our table, but I would say maybe 2 people from each team can fit on the table. That would be 4 per group. And maybe 2 people might need to be on the floor right beside of their seat. Okay, so you're not moving anywhere you'd like, but like if orange number 1 stays on the table, orange number 2 might want to get down onto the floor, and orange number 3 might want to sit on the table, but orange number 4 might just want to get down onto the floor. Okay? Once you get your paper and you get yourself situated, hopefully we earn a happy Mona for doing this really quietly, then I'm going to tell you how we're going to set this up. All you need to have ready is a pencil. Go ahead and go. We've already had this. I'm going to listen very carefully. I will not do anything until our Garvin says go. Okay, we are going to separate our paper using a V shape and an upside down V shape. We're going to draw it first with pencil, and then when I give you a thumbs up, you're going to use a paint dauber, which I'm going to talk to you about here in just a second, to make really distinct separated spots. Now, I've tried to get my paper on here the best that I can, but I'm going to show you what we're going to do. You're going to start this corner, and you're going to start at this corner, so the top 2 corners, and then you're going to come down to the middle of the bottom. And if you want to put a little dot there, and then the top 2 corners, you can. And then what you're going to do is you're going to draw, and they do not have to be perfect. I'm going to draw a diagonal line down to the middle, and a diagonal line back up to the top. So now I have a giant letter V that goes from top corner, bottom, middle to top corner. Giant V, top corner, bottom, middle, back to top corner. I'll give you 10 seconds, go. Side to side, horizontal. All right, 5 seconds. 1. I'm going to turn my paper over. So my V looks more like an A. All right, now here's what you're going to do next. We're going to go top corner to bottom middle to top corner again. So we're literally just repeating. And when I connect them now, I have a diamond sort of shape like this. So now I have lots of spaces. So top corner, bottom middle, back to top corner. Go ahead and go about 10 seconds. Just pause when you're done. Everybody. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once I get everybody going on this next step, I'll come in and I'll make sure you're okay. So if you feel like your paper does not look like my paper or the people around you, quietly in a minute when I'm done, ask a friend for help or wait for me to come around. But if we count them out, we have, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 spaces and 7 elements. Now, listen to what we're going to do next. These are paint daubers. They have ink in there, and the top of them look like this. So the top is sort of like a brush. The ink will just come out. Never, ever do I squeeze this. As soon as I turn it upside down, the ink will come out. Good. So we're going to use this just to outline those lines that we drew. So each space is a little more defined. So watch me here. I'm going to go upside down. You don't have to push down hard. You just lay it on there and move along. It is very nice and smooth. And then we're going to go the other way now. And the very last thing that we're going to do with this is right in the center, because this is the biggest piece of all. We're going to write our name in the center, and eventually we'll fill the top half and the bottom half with one of our elements. But right in the center, this is our name space. So I'm going to write Marvin. You would write your first name. No, you can do it however you want. I just like it like that. And when you're done with this, I want you to snap the cap on. I want you to put this back in the basket. And then I want you to pause. I'll give you about 5 minutes to do this. Go. So each element of art is going to get its own different space. I will leave it up to you each day to figure out which space you want to use. And so if you want to start here, work your way over. If you want to start here, if you want to start in the center, it is 100% up to you. I think I will go ahead and start in the center. So today's element of art was, and we looked at a ton of examples of what lines can look like. So really this space is up to you as long as it invokes line. So what I think I'm going to do for mine, I'm just going to start up here, and you can just make a different kinds of lines like this. And there's Sharpie markers in your black basket. That's what we're going to start with. Right now we're just watching. So I could just keep filling each space in with something different like this. I could do something different where I put maybe all organic lines, wavy lines in one space, and then maybe down here I put all geometric lines, or you could just keep building patterns with your lines like this. How you fill this space is 100% up to you. If you use your center space, I do not want you to cover over your name. Just pretend there's a little bubble.